You are welcome back to my channel. This is Elyon Educational Consult. I solve technical drawing question. Today we'll be looking at the frustum of a hexagonal pyramid, how to draw the plan, the end elevation, and the true shape of the section of a frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. We have a question here. The question says, draw the plan, the end elevation, and the true shape of the section of a frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. Now this is the shape, so we'll be drawing the plan, then drawing the end elevation and the true shape. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to draw the plan just like we did for cone and the hexagonal pyramid that we are going to do now. So we draw the plan. So the plan, because it's an hexagon has 6 sides, so we are given the base of the pyramid here to be 36, so we are going to be using that to draw the plan. So we are going to be dividing 36 into 2, which is 18. That is, to centimeter is 1.8. So I will draw my baseline to start with. Draw the baseline of any length of your choice. Then we'll pick it at a point. At any convenient point, we are going to be drawing perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular line at that point. So we have this. So at this point now, we are going to measure 1.8, because when we divide this 36 by 2, we have 1.8, which will be the radius of the circle that we'll be using to draw the hexagon. This 1.8, this 1.8, place at this point here. So we have that drawn. So extend this line down. So we are going to be using this to draw our hexagon. So with this same radius of 1.8, I'm going to use it to get our hexagon. So placing at each of these points here. Okay, if I start with this point, strike an arc up and down, then at the other point here, strike an arc up and down. So by the time I join this point together, I'm going to be getting my hexagon. So I'll pick it from here. So take that out now. Take this out. Okay. So this is my hexagon, which is going to be forming the base of my pyramid. So I'm going to number this way. 1, number this side as Okay, we number this side as 2, we number this as 3, 4, 5, and 6. So hexagon has 6 sides, the polygon. So from each of the side, starting from this side, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line up, project a perpendicular line up, then I will go to the next one. Of course 5 and 3 will be on a straight line, project this up, then go to the next one, project another straight line up, then finally at 1 project that. Okay, so I will be drawing this triangle now. So pick it like this, any convenient distance. I will draw the base of the triangle now, of course, which is going to be equal to 36, because the diameter of this circle we use in drawing the hexagon is 36, 3.6. So we are also given that the height is 46, that is 4.6. so I will measure 4.6, so this 4.6, then draw at that a thin line. Okay, so this should be the center, the apex point of the circle, of the triangle. So looking at it from the circle up there, so this will be the center, the apex of the triangle. So from this point now, I'm going to draw this down, so before we start adding the truncated part, now the point where the truncation starts from is 16. We are told that is 16, so I will come to this part. I'm going to measure 16, that is 1.6, that is this one, 1.5, and 1.6. so at that point, you have this drawn. Okay, so the other part, we are not actually given any particular height for this other part of the truncated side, but we are given the angle, and we are told the angle is 38. I'll bring in my protractor now so that we can measure the angle. So the angle is 38. This is 10, 20, 30, 35, 6, 7, 8. So this 38. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to be connecting it to this 16 part. So you have that. So I will take out my given view now. So that is the first thing we are going to be drawing before we start answering the question. So we draw the given view. So this is my, you can see this is my given view, the given view given to us with the hexagonal base. All right, so the next thing we are going to be doing now is to be drawing the plan of the hexagonal pyramid. So at this point here, from this point you can see where this point 3 and 5 touches the base. Yeah, I'm going to draw a line to meet the apex, a thin line to meet the apex. The same I will do for this other side, 2 and 6, where it touches the base of the pyramid. So I will draw to meet the apex. So I can thicken out this. So thicken out this. So the next thing I'm going to do now, take note of each of these points, each of these points, each of these points. Then we'll project a straight line down. We are going to be projecting a straight line down. So starting from this point here, okay, then I'll project a straight line down, then come to the next point here, project a straight line down, then come to this part. I will do likewise. Then finally we have that. All right, now for easy identification, each of these points I can name this as A, this part also as A, next one here as B, so next one here as B, then this can be C, the center. I will complete the plan view now by drawing the diagonal. Draw the diagonal and draw the diagonal here. The next thing we'll be doing now is to get our point of intersection from the plan here. So look at A. From this A, just trace the line down. So this is the first point here, the first point. Then we go to the next one, B. Neglect other lines, just go to B here, trace the line down. You can see where B is intersecting with the diagonal of the hexagon, then both up and down. Take note of that point, both up and down. We take note of the point. Then come to this other side as well, leave C, just come to this other side, go down. So this is my A, not this one. Just follow the line down at the point of truncation here. So this is my A, then go to B, follow it down. So this is my B, then both up and down, as you can see. So the next thing we are going to do, we connect the lines, not with your French curve now, but just connect with a straight line like this. Like this. So we're going to take note of each of these points. Each of these points now, we are going to be drawing the lines out. Okay, from that point now, draw the line out. Then this is the next point. This is the next point. So we'll draw that out too. Then this one is already there. So next point. At the next point, we draw that out too. Then finally, the last one there, we draw the point out like that. So take at perpendicular to the line like this, we draw a straight line. So this can be our A here, next one is B, then this middle is C, corresponding to this. So I'm going to be hashing the plan now to complete my plan view. So hash it like that. So this is our plan that have been drawn. So I'm going to be drawing the true shape and the end elevation in another video. Thank you for staying tuned.